everyone, and welcome to the lessons on the IELTS Academic Writing Section. This section in the lessons will look at the IELTS Writing Section and specifically Writing Task 1. We'll get a general understanding of what the writing section is all about, the various question types that you could face, learn how to structure your answers, and how to answer the various question types. We'll also master some tips and tricks and learn some useful vocabulary, sentences, and phrases for this task. Let's get started. We'll start by getting acquainted with the writing section in general. You will have 1 hour to complete 2 tasks. The assessment criteria for this section is slightly different from the ones we covered in the IELTS reading and listening sections. The assessment criteria for the writing section is as follows: task achievement or task response, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and grammatical range and accuracy. These 4 areas are equally weighted, so each of them contributes to 25% of your total score for task 1. Let's go into this a little further and understand what exactly the examiner is looking for. Task achievement or task response refers to the extent to which you address and fulfill the requirements of the task given in the prompt. When it comes to cohesion and coherence, this criterion assesses the clarity of your writing and how well you organize your ideas. You should also use appropriate paragraphing, sentence structures, and linking words and phrases to connect your ideas and create a clear and logical argument. Lexical resource is where you're evaluated on the vocabulary you use and your ability to use a wide range of words and phrases appropriately and accurately. You should also demonstrate an understanding of collocations, idioms, and complex sentence structures. And last but not least, grammatical range and accuracy. This criterion assesses your grammar and your ability to use a variety of sentence structures correctly. You should demonstrate an understanding of verb tense, articles, pronouns, and sentence structure, and use them accurately and appropriately. Overall, the assessment criteria for this section is designed to evaluate your ability to write effectively in academic contexts, with a focus on demonstrating a range of skills and knowledge in the English language. Are you wondering why this section is important? Let me tell you. This section is an important component of the IELTS exam as it measures a test taker's ability to write in an academic style, that too in English. This is particularly important for students who plan on studying at a university or college where English is the medium of instruction. Now let's go on to discuss the skills you will need for these tasks and the section. First of all, you will need to have comprehension skills. In fact, to do well in the IELTS Academic Writing Section, you need to be able to understand the question and identify the task you are being asked to complete. The next skill you will need to have are organization skills. Organization skills here? Yes! You need to be able to organize your ideas and structure your essay in a logical and coherent way. This includes developing a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. You will need adaptability skills as well. This is because the IELTS Academic Writing Exam requires you to write on a variety of topics, so you need to be able to adapt your writing style and tone to suit different types of questions. And the final 2 skills which perpetually come up and are very important skills to possess for this exam are time management skills and paraphrasing skills. You need to be able to manage your time effectively during the exam. This includes planning, writing, and editing your essay within the time allotted. Paraphrasing is a crucial skill in the IELTS academic exam, as it allows you to demonstrate your ability to express ideas using different words and sentence structures. This is important because the exam assesses your ability to write in an academic style, which requires you to use a wide range of vocabulary and grammatical structures. And what better way to develop these skills than practice, practice, practice? And there we have it, all about the IELTS writing section. We've come to the end of the lesson. Let's do a quick recap of what we learned. We covered an introduction to the IELTS writing section, the assessment criteria, the importance of the IELTS writing section, and skills to develop for this section. Join me for the next lesson where we'll be going through the different question types that you'll face for writing task 1. See you then!